So when we hear Krishna's Sringhar being described and read about it in Shastra or see in paintings, Krishna is always characteristically wearing Makar Kundala. Because it's symbolic, it means something, that Krishna and Krishna alone is the only Kamadev, Aprakrita Kamadev. Madan Mohan, Sri Krishna. Manmata Manmata Sham. He who churns the mind of that great god of lust and cupidity, who is churning and agitating and whirling and spinning every man and woman's mind in the world since the beginning of time. Lust, Mr. Lust. He rides on Makar. Krishna wears Makar Kundal because he is the original god of spiritual romance, spiritual amor, and divine love.